Good afternoon, dear students. Today we are going to revise the question answers of the topic I would like to be. Okay? All of you take out your book and open page number 21. Are you all ready? Okay. Let us read the questions. Part 2, Lesson 1, I would like to be. Comprehension questions. Number 1. If the child became a monkey, where would it climb? Answer. If the child became a monkey, it would climb up the tree very high. Or, if the child became a monkey, it would climb up the tall trees. Got it? Next. Number 2. If the child became a monkey, where would it jump? Answer. If the child became a monkey, it would jump from branch to branch of the trees. Okay? Next. Number 3. If the child became a monkey, what would it do all day long? The answer will be, if the child became a monkey, it would play, skip, dance and eat all day long. Are you clear now? In this way, we have to answer the questions in a complete sentence. Purno bakyare uttara deba. Okay? Let's move to the second part of the question. If the child were a tiger, where would it move about? If the child were a tiger, it would move about the deep forest. Else we can say, if the child were a tiger, it would roam the dense forest. Roam about the dense forest. Okay? Next. Number 5. If the child were a tiger, what would it do all day long? Answer should be, if the child were a tiger, it would lay down itself warm and fast asleep in the sunlight all day long. Okay? Next. If the child were a tiger, when would it search for food? Answer. If the child were a tiger, it would search for food throughout the night. Now you got it? In this way we have to write the answers. Okay, let's move to the MCQs now. Multiple choice questions. Here you have been given multiple choices. Okay, there are 4 options for you. Out of the options you have to find out the correct answer. Okay, look at your book, page number 21. Vocabulary work. Number 1. Tick the correct alternative. The child wishes to be, the options are a lion, a tiger, a monkey, both a tiger and a monkey. So the answer will be, the child wishes to be both a tiger and a monkey. Okay? Next. Number 2. A monkey dash, flies in the sky, dances in river, swims in sea, jumps from branch to branch of a tree. Answer. A monkey jumps from branch to branch of a tree. Next. Number 3. A tiger roams dash, the river, the forest, the cornfield, the sea beach. Answer. A tiger roams the forest. Next. Number 4. The child wishes to be a monkey or a tiger because dash, they have a lot to eat, they live in safe forest houses, they get air and water free, they lead a free life. So which option is the correct one? Number D. The child wishes to be a monkey or a tiger because they lead a free life. Now you got it? In this way we have to write the answers. Now look at Session 3. 3. Listening. Page number 22. Your teacher will say the following words aloud. Listen to him or her carefully. Mark. In each word, one or some letters are silent while speaking. That means we have to find out the silent letters in each word. Some words have been written here and we have to find out the silent letters in each word. प्रत्येक शब्दरू आमे silent letter बाछिबा. That means what? Speaking कला बेले बा pronunciation कला समय रे को letter टी silent अछि आमे जानिबा. For example, जेमति कि आमे कहिबे चालिबार English walk. WALK walk. Here L is silent. We do not pronounce L here. Okay? Walk. Like this almond, ALMOND. Okay, this is the spelling of almond. But L is silent in this word. Now you got it? In this way, we have to find out the silent letters in each word. The first word is climb. Climb. The silent letter is B. Next word is high. Here the silent letters are G, H. Then the next one is through. The silent letters are G, H. Sunlight. Here the silent letters are G, H. Next, chalk. In this word, the letter L is silent. Come. Here B is silent. Breeze. Here D is silent. Then the next word is judge. Here also D is silent. And the last word is bird. Here R is silent, which is not pronounced. Okay, you got it? Well students, now look at session 4 of your book, page number 23. Some words are described below. Can you find them in your poem? Here some clues have been given at the left side and we have to find the word. Okay? The national animal of India. Which is known as the national animal of India? Tiger. Very good. Next, a part of the tree where birds build their nest. Branch. It gives us flowers and fruits. Tree. The opposite word of the day. Night. A man-like animal that jumps from branch to branch. Monkey. The sun, moon and stars are here. Sky. Wild animals live in it. Forest. A jungle. A word for look for. Search. We eat it to live. Food. We get it from the sun all day. Sunlight. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss the question answers of session 6, page number 24. Write answers to the following questions. Okay. What does the poet wish to be? The poet wishes to be both a monkey and a tiger. Got it? Next, number 2. Why does he like to become an animal like a monkey or a tiger? He likes to become an animal like a monkey or a tiger because they lead a free life. Okay? Then the next one, bit 3. What does a monkey enjoy doing? A monkey enjoys climbing high up in a tree, jumping from branch to branch, playing, skipping, dancing and eating all day long. Okay? Else we can write, here the question is, what does a monkey enjoy doing? The monkey enjoys climbing of trees, jumping from branch to branch, playing, skipping, dancing and eating all day long. Okay? Next, the fourth bit is, Where does a tiger walk about freely? A tiger walks about freely in a deep forest. Got it? Next. Bit fifth. What does the tiger do all day long? The tiger lies and sleeps in sunlight all day long. Okay? Next. Bit sixth. What does he do at night? He searches for food at night or he looks for food at night. Got it? So students, this is all about today's revision class. In this way, you can write the question answers of the poem I Would Like to Be. Okay? So thanks to all of you. Have a nice day. Bande Mataram.